Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share Tempo videos on YouTube Shorts. Tempo is a video editing app that allows users to create engaging short video using music synchronization, transition effects and ready-made templates, and it is commonly used for short form platforms such as TikTok, Reels and other YouTube Shorts. And once your video is editing in Tempo, you can easily upload it to your YouTube Shorts, and in this video you'll learn how to share Tempo videos on YouTube Shorts step by step. First, you need to open to your Tempo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account, and from the home screen open to the project you want to upload as a YouTube short. And over here you can preview your video as well. Ensure the video is vertical, properly synced with music and under 60 seconds, which is required for the YouTube Shorts. And now tap the export on the top right. Over here what you can do is you can simply select the YouTube icon. It will automatically open to your shorts. You can adjust the visibility settings, and after you're done you can select done in the bottom right. Over here you can caption your video, add your details and upload short in the bottom right, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.